What's up, you guys? Today, we're gonna talk about the Shark cordless vacuum that I got it for the store, I think. So, this Shark vacuum, my mom got a new one because our old Origa was old and it was broken too. So, I don't know if I can vacuum this because I like vacuuming with the Bissell better. So, yeah. And as you could see, there's a blinking line light for the acoustic vacuum. It keeps blinking blue. And then it keeps blinking because it was charging. And because of the cordless vacuum, I don't think I'm gonna use it because I don't know. I guess I'll vacuuming with this Shark someday. So yeah. Uh thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.